Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between iQOO Z5 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So both phones they do have the UFS storage 3.1, but let's see which phone has got what kind of read and write speeds. The main reason is because the iQOO they did inform that the UFS storage 3.1 which is present in this phone is kind of enhanced versions, but let's see how much it is enhanced. So when you compare with the actual 3.1, so whether we can find any kind of difference between these both phones or not. That's what my main point of comparing these both devices. So first let me need to go to the applications which I got right now. So which is the first Android Bench application which I'll try to show you what is the read and write speeds in both phones doing the benchmark thing. So I did already upload a lot of videos as well between these both devices regarding the speed test and RAM management and a lot of details. And first phone to finish is the Realme X1 Max, and the iQOO Z5 is taking some more time. And finally it finished. Let me just slightly zoom in so you can actually focus exactly on the scores. So first is a sequential read. Sequential read speed is slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max device, 1700 and 1500 in the iQOO Z5, and 1000 is the write speed and 939 is a sequential write speed. Random read is 241 and 242 and 274. So random read and write is slightly higher in the iQOO Z5, and last three are the highest in the Realme X1 Max device. You can compare both phones side by side. So using this application we got to know that the Realme X1 Max has got slightly higher read and write speeds. But let's see using the Android Benchmark application what are the other things we'll get to know. Because using this Android Benchmark application also you can actually do the storage speed test comparison. Let's see which phone can actually finish the test fast. So right now the Realme X1 Max did finish the test, and even the iQOO Z5 also finished the test, and both phones they scored exactly kind of close to similar kind of number, 60,326 and 60,537, so slightly kind of higher in the iQOO Z5. So whatever it is in the UFS storage which is present in the iQOO Z5, it's kind of very close to Realme X1 Max UFS storage 3.1 as well. So in this application we are getting the results quite sequence read is 1699 and 1674. And write is 981 and 982. So slightly little bit kind of difference is there. But random access speed is slightly higher in the iQOO Z5. That's when slightly getting the points in the iQOO Z5. Even in the previous application also we got to know the random write speeds and the read speeds are slightly higher than the Realme X1 Max. So that's why I'm trying to use the multiple applications just to show you what is happening between these both phones. And next I'll try to use the monster mode which is present in this phone, and I'll try to use the high performance mode which is present in this phone as well. Let's see using any kind of monster mode and high performance mode will it affect any kind of score or not. That's what I'm going to exactly check. 1, 2 and 3, and let's see what happens right now. So this test doesn't require any kind of battery percentage, nothing at all. So don't worry about the battery percentages. So both phones did score about 61,000 exactly as it is. So slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max device you're getting at this moment. You can clearly see. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the UFS storage. I hope you got a clear idea what is going on between these both phones. And see in the next video unless I state more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.